Just because you have kidney disease doesn't mean your meals need to be boring and bland. I've got 4 cookbooks that will have you cooking like a freaking gourmet chef in no time. Coming right up. Let me start with a little history about my cooking abilities, or actually complete lack of. I only used a microwave to reheat leftover foods and occasionally to make microwave popcorn. I ate every single meal out. Everyone, even breakfast. I'd swing by McDonald's or Burger King or something on the way to work and eat my breakfast from them. Lunchtime, again, fast food. And dinner usually was a restaurant, or if I was in a hurry running late because of work or something, again, fast food. I did not know the difference between any of the pans. When I discovered that I had kidney disease and started cooking for myself, I had to buy all the utensils, the spatulas and all those things. I had to buy pots and pans. I didn't own a single one. And, my skill set was pretty much I could burn water. That was about all. And now I can cook meals that you would not believe were cooked in someone's kitchen. And let's take a look at the books that I use to help me cook amazing, tasteful meals. Now, each of these books is linked to below so you can go into Amazon, order a copy, and have it lickety-split. You're probably not going to find these at Barnes & Noble's. Their listings or the books that they carry for kidney disease is practically zero. So my first book, the one that every single one of you should have, and it should be the very first cookbook that you buy when you learn that you have kidney disease, the Renal Diet Cookbook for the Newly Diagnosed. Now, not only are the recipes in here super tasty and fairly easy to make, but it has lots of information on how to read labels, understanding the different things that are in your food that are bad for you, bad for your kidneys. Has a fantastic section on eating out. This is one of the few books that really goes into enough detail about eating out to help you when you go out. You're going to have friends, you're going to have coworkers, you're going to go out and eat. I love the section in here about that. All right, book number 2, Renal Diet Plan and Cookbook. The recipes in here, absolutely delicious, but they do take a bit more skill and prep time to make them. Now, this book, the intro is outstanding at understanding what life will be like living with chronic kidney disease. So it's definitely worth that. It goes into good detail on reading labels and talks about phosphorus, potassium, and stuff like that. Good recipes, but this is a step up. It's going to take a bit more to make these. I've gotten to the point where I'm fine making these recipes. I learned at the first book, and I just love the taste of these. I love having the variety by having multiple cookbooks. Book number 3, The Renal Diet. Now, I actually think this book is named wrong. This should be called The Book for People Who Burn Water. This is by far the easiest cookbook to follow. Everything is very clear. There's lots of good tasting recipes. It's simple to go in there, see what ingredients you need. They lay out all the nutritional information for every recipe, really clear and easy, which is fantastic. The only downside I had with this cookbook, and it's a small one, it's very affordable, it's got over 90 recipes, is it's great if you're trying to lose weight because the portions that you make with this book, following the recipes as they are in the book, are on the smaller side. So if you're trying to lose weight, great recipes in here. They taste fantastic. If you're not trying to lose weight, you're going to have to do a little bit of math to make the recipes a bit larger or substitute them with some other kind of snack. Lots of them listed on dadvicetv.com. But this should be your 3rd book. Super easy. As a matter of fact, these recipes, super easy for your kids to help you make in the kitchen. All right, our final book, number 4, and this one has a long title. Kidney Health Gourmet Diet Guide and Cookbook. Also available on Amazon. Link is down below. Now, this book has super easy to follow recipes. They're great. They all can be prepared super fast. So this is fantastic if you don't have much time, you need to make something really quick. If your day is just always running around, you gotta go drop the kids off at swimming, you got work, you got this, you got that. These recipes take no time. They also do not have a lot of ingredients. There's a lot of different sections, desserts and stuff like that. Now there's one warning about this book. There is it advertised here on the cover, a restaurant guide. Now that sounds fantastic, but hold your horses. Don't get excited. I think something happened when they were compiling everything for this book, because this restaurant guide is barely, and I mean barely, half a page. It's not even worth the ink that is on the page. It has just a couple restaurants. If you go to McDonald's, order this. Arby's, order this. I almost just gave it all away. That's how short it is. So the restaurant guide is completely useless, but the recipe's great if you're in a hurry. They're all super quick and easy. Again, another book that the family can help you with. You can have the kids help you make these. They'll learn them really quick, and there's a lot of options. So together, with these 4 books, you will have hundreds and hundreds of recipes that you can use to make delicious meals that are all kidney friendly. They all document how to read labels. They all document in these books what the ingredients are, your potassium, your sodium, and all that, so you can really find ones that work with whatever stage you're at and what your blood work says. Because remember, the goal to helping your kidneys improve is to help them relax, take the stress off them. Use your blood work as your guide and learn what to eat. And these 4 books will give you lots of options for cooking at home and not having boring, bland meals. If you like this video, remember, share it. Share it with others that have kidney disease. Most of these recipes are also diabetic friendly. Hey! Now remember, diabetes is very common with those with kidney disease. So all 4 of these books, you're going to find recipes that work for both your diabetes and your kidney disease, which those are hard. Those of you that have both of those, you know that can be tough. So share it if you know. You share this video with others you know that have kidney disease or are looking for some help. Visit dadvicetv.com to learn more about what I've done to greatly improve my kidney function. As a matter of fact, in the first 9 weeks following my plan and a very aggressive diet, which was easy to stick with. Remember, I eat out every single meal. I over doubled my GFR in just 9 weeks. Today, I'm feeling better. My GFR continues to increase. I have a ton of energy. I actually feel better than I have in probably over 20 years. Also, you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon. That way you'll get notifications every single time I upload a brand new video. And you can follow Dadvice TV on Facebook. So lots of ways for us to stay in touch so that you can see what I'm doing that's helping me live a fantastic life with kidney disease. And I want you to live that same life too. Thank you.